Thank you, Madam Speaker. I thank the Honourable Asnil Sudhakar for the question. Madam Speaker, Fiji as a coastal state has an international obligation under Article 34 of the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea to provide safe and secure maritime routes in Fijian waters. As such, it is required to provide updated and accurate surveyed nautical charts to maritime shipping. Madam Speaker, this critical role is delegated to the Fiji Hydrographic Unit, which comes under the Republic of Fiji Navy. The unit undertakes the role of collection, compilation of hydrographic data, and the publication, dissemination, and updating of all nautical information necessary for safe navigation. The unit issues nautical charts and additionally issues sailing directions, lists of lighthouses, tide tables, or essential navigational safety information of Fiji waters annually through the nautical calendar, which is called the Almanac. Madam Speaker, this work is critical for the development of Fiji's oceans economy, most notably in the maritime trade sector and the cruise tourism sector. Furthermore, Madam Speaker, the unit supports the work of the United Kingdom Hydrographic Office with its traditional responsibility for charting Fiji waters. Thank you, Madam Speaker.